How to buy all whale retire token. So this token came under the symbol of AWR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on CoinGecko. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and this token address is under this Solana network. Open your fund to wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and place the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and here, as you can see, type how much you want to buy, and you will be able to see how much you receive here. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy all whale retire token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.